In this video, we will see how to fix Windows activation error 0xC004B100 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows activation error, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is run the Windows activation troubleshooter. How to run Windows activation troubleshooters? Right click on Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to System Settings. From the right side, scroll down and you will find the option Activation. Click on Activation. And here under Activation State, you will find any error and you will find a button named Troubleshoot, Activation Troubleshoot. So run the Activation Troubleshoot. In my case, no any activation error found. So in your case, if activation state having error, then you will find here a troubleshoot icon and press and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. The second method is check whether your Windows activation error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure that your system having signed in with Microsoft account. Right click on Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side, scroll down and go to Accounts Settings. From the right side, you will find, click on Your Info. Under Sign In Info, you will not find the option to sign in with Microsoft account. So go back and click on Your Info. Go back on the same account settings page and click on Your Info. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find here link sign in with a Microsoft account instead. In my case, already I have signed in with Microsoft account. You will find here sign in with a Microsoft account instead. So click on this and sign in with your Microsoft account and check whether Windows activation error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The third one is use phone activation. If you fail to activate your Windows, then use phone activation. Right click on Start button and choose Run. In Run dialog box, type the command SLUI space 4 and click on OK. A blue window will open. Here choose your language, country and other and select your country or region. Choose your country or region and follow on screen instruction to complete the process to activate your Windows through phone verification. Thereafter, close the windows and check whether your Windows activation error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Next one is the fourth workaround is check if the product key matches your Windows edition. So check your product key and change your product key with correct product key. Right click on Start button and here choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to System Settings. Scroll down and go to Activation. Click on Activation Settings. Here under Activation State, click on a small arrow. Windows is activated. Click on Upgrade your edition of Windows and here you will find the option Change Product Key. Click on Change. A blue screen window will appear. Enter a product key. Your product key should be in email from whoever sold or distributed Windows to you or in the box in the Windows DVD or USB came in. Enter your product key. How to check your system product key? To check your system product key, go to Command Prompt Windows. Go to Windows Search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on screen. This command will show your system product key. Simply copy it. This command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there and press enter. Your product key will available here. Simply copy product key from here and go to the previous blue screen under change product key and enter your product key there. And your Windows activation error definitely be resolved. That's all.